Lesson 104, the feminine ending ka. Lucille, when we wrote this lesson, we were debating about how to present this feminine ending and how it might apply to nouns that are traditionally seen as masculine.
The feminine ending ka, to my understanding, is used a little bit less than in times past, because much as is happening in English, for example, the word actor can be a male or a female at this point. And the same kind of thing is happening in Russian. So whereas there are existing pairs, for example, businessman, businessmanka, I believe it's true that the ka ending is being used a little bit less because businessman could refer to a male or female at this point. So it is something you will encounter. I believe student and studentka are fairly standard still.
I think also because the ka ending can be added to words to make them more like the diminutive version of them,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like you could add it to a feminine noun like mashina
Mm-hmm.
and make it mashinka, but that would make it like a cute little toy car or something. So maybe
Right.
that's why.
Maybe that association.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It also makes the words a little bit uneven. Like the student is like more, and studentka is a little bit like
Like a little cutesy.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I think, yeah, like actor, maybe, well, with actor, there's actor and actrisa,
Actrisa,
which is a more standalone, like proper version of that name. But I think studentka is fairly common. I think that's
believe that
something.
it still is. I would just say use caution if you're going to try to add this ending onto a word because
You could do different things. Yeah.
yes, but you will encounter it, and it's something to recognize that it does take, in this context, take a masculine word and give us a feminine form of it.
And one last thing before we go. In the accusative plural, it seems like we have the zero ending, but with an extra vowel inserted before the ka, right?
Yes, this is to help with pronunciation. If we did just the straightforward zero ending, you would have the te followed by the ka as the ending. Sergey, can you try to pronounce it without that O in there?
Student.
So it's very difficult to pronounce. So in those cases where there are two or more consonants at the end, sometimes there will be a vowel inserted just to aid with pronunciation.
Studentak.
Much easier.
Mm-hmm.